Okay, you give me less than 3 minutes and I will tell you how to name notes on the guitar. We're gonna start with just the E string, which is the string that's on the top of the guitar. We're gonna name all the natural notes. That means the notes that are not sharp or flat, just the letter name notes. Remember that the musical alphabet goes A through G and then starts over. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Let's dive in. This string on the top is the E string. If I play it with no fingers at all, we call that the open string. That's open E. Now, from E to F is a distance of what we call a half step. That's 1 fret. For more on half steps and whole steps, check out my last video. So from E to F is 1 fret. That means that this first fret right here, if I play that note, that's gonna be an F. Now, most of the other jumps are gonna be 2 fret jumps. Those are called whole steps. So E to F is one exception to that. That's a 1 fret jump. F to G, 2 fret jump. So G is gonna be the 3rd fret. G to A, 2 fret jump, so that's gonna be to the 5th fret. A to B, 2 fret jump, that's gonna be to the 7th fret. B to C, 1 fret jump, that's gonna be to the 8th fret. That's another one of those exceptions. E to F, remember, way up here was 1 fret. B to C is also 1 fret. C to D, 2 fret jump, like most of the rest of them. That's a whole step. D to E, 2 fret jump, that's a whole step also, and we're here. Now, remember, we started with the E string, no fingers, and then we ended up back on E here on these 2 dots. That double dotted fret is the 12th fret. That's a very special fret. You should always end up back where you started from on that fret. So if you're on the E string, this note should end up also being E. If you're ever trying to find your notes or you're counting up like I just did and you end up not on an E there, something went awry back here, just check it again, try one more time. We always want to end up on the same note we started with. So double dotted fret, 12th fret, that is also an E. So give that a try on your own guitar, check back in, we'll talk about the notes that fit in between these natural notes soon.